In this video, we're going to show you to install the forward-mounted fender liner on your Nissan Quest, located inside the front wheel well. Using a 21mm socket, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Remove your wheel and set it aside. Along the lower portion of the bumper, we have two T20 Torx bit screws. Want to loosen and remove these. Once we do this on the driver's side, repeat for the passenger side. On the lower corner right here, remove this T20. Ours is broken, but you want to remove this here. Using a T20 Torx bit, we want to loosen and remove these screws. Now, our particular vehicle was in an accident. You may have different hardware holding the bumper to the wheel well liner. Now, inside the front liner here, we have 5 plastic buttons we need to remove. 1, 2, 3, and down inside 4 and 5. We use our trim tool. You do want to be prepared. Some of these buttons can break if they're old and brittle. You need to pop out the center here, and then it'll pop out the base. Good, bring our fender line up into place. Feed it underneath. Go ahead and install all 5 of our buttons here, and then we'll proceed to underneath. Go ahead and snap in your button. Now we want to get our fender liner inside. So you can do is use your trim tool and just kind of guide this in and around. Now, on our previous fender liner, it was torn out, so there was a series of screws thrown into this. It does not need to be that way. What we do need to do is pull this one single tab out for the outside and use a single screw. And snug that down. Secure that. Then we'll install our 2 plastic push pins. Just going to install the second one over here. Take your wheel and install it. I want to go ahead and start these lug nuts by hand. Get them started a few threads. This will help prevent cross-threading. Once we have them all started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. When tightening down the lug nuts, you want to do it in a crisscross pattern. Go ahead and torque your wheels down to 80 foot-pounds. And do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.